Hello all. In today's lesson we will learn about addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. So before that we should know what are the terms and like and unlike terms, because in this we will learn how to first of all we collect the like terms and we will perform the operation like addition and subtraction. So you can check the link in my description what are the terms and what are like and unlike terms. Here I am starting with example with addition of terms. 5x square minus 7x plus 3 plus minus 8x square plus 2x minus 5 plus 7x square minus x minus 2. So first of all what we will do, we will collect the like terms. 5x square minus 8x square plus 7x square. Then we have minus 7x plus 2x minus x. Then we have 3, 5 and then 2. So let's start with so here we complete collecting the like term. Now let's start with addition. 7 plus 5 is 12 minus 8 is 4x square plus here with the same sign 7 and minus 1 will be minus 8, then it will come as minus 6x. Similarly 5 minus 2 will give minus 7, 3 minus 7 will be minus 4. So plus and minus will give us minus sign, it will come as similarly over. So the sum of three algebraic expression will come out as 4x square minus 6x minus 4. Let's take another example. 3x square minus 1 by 5x plus 7 by 3 plus minus 1 by 4x square plus 1 by 3x minus 1 by 6 plus minus 2x square minus 1 by 2x plus 5. So let's start with collecting the like terms. Here we come as 3x square minus 1 by 4 x square minus 2x square plus minus 1 by x 1 by 5 x, here it is 1 by 3x and here it is 1 by 2 x. Next we have 7 by 3, 1 by 6 and then 5. Fine. So how we will add this? First we will start by taking the LCM. LCM in this will come as 4. So when we solve it, it will come as 12x square minus x square minus 8x square. Next term, here if we take the LCM of this, it will come as 30. Then it will be, what we will do, we will divide with the denominator and multiply with numerator. 30 divided by 5 will be 6, then it will be minus 6x. 30 divided by 3 is 10, multiply 1 is plus 10x. 30 divided by 2 is 15, multiply by 1 is 15, minus 15x. Next we have, next the LCM will come as 6. When we will solve, it will come as 40. We will solve in the same manner, divided by the denominator, multiply with numerator. Then it will become as minus 1 and it will come as plus 30. Okay. Then we will add this. Minus 1 minus 8 will be minus 9. 12 minus 9 will be 3. So it will be 3 by 4 x square. Next we have 15 and 16. We will add this. It will come as 21. Minus 21 and then plus 10 it will be minus 11 by 30 x. Here we will add this 30 plus 14 is 44 minus 1 is 43. So here the sum of the algebraic expression comes out like this. Okay. Let's take another example like add 2x square minus 3x plus 1 to the sum of 3x square minus 2x and 3x plus 7. So in this case what we will do, first we will add these two terms. Let's add it. 3x square minus 2x plus 3x plus 7. First collect the like terms. 3x square here minus 2x plus 3x plus 7. It gives us 3x square. 3 minus 2 will be 1. It will be 7. So the sum comes out like this. Now what we have to do? We have to add 2x square minus 3x plus 1 to this. Now what we'll do? We will add 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Collect the like term. It will be 3x square plus 2x square plus x minus 3x plus 7 plus 1. So 3 plus 2 will give us 5x square. X minus 3x will be minus 2x. And 7 plus 1 will be 8. So the answer of this expression is 5x square minus 2x. Now let's take some example on the subtraction. So we have to subtract 6x cube minus 7x square plus 5x minus 3 from 4 minus 5x plus 6x square minus 8x cube. Right, so start 4 minus 5x plus 6x square minus 8x cube. We have to subtract the first term from the second term. So how we'll write this? 6x cube minus 7x square plus 5x minus 3. So in that case what we will do? First we will open the braces. So it will come as 4 minus 5x plus 6x square minus 8x cube minus 6x cube. Minus and minus will be plus 7x square. Here it is minus 5x. Minus and minus will be plus. So now let's start with collecting like terms. Here 4 and 3 constant term will go 7. Minus 5x and minus 5x will give us minus 10x. 6x square and 7x square will give us 13x square. Minus 8 and minus 6 will give us minus 14x cube. So the subtraction of these two expressions will be this. Then we can have another example like we have p cube minus 4 plus 3p square. Take away 5p square minus 3p cube plus p minus 6. In case of subtraction, we have to be very careful which term we are going to subtract from first term. So here what we are doing, we are taking away this. So how we will write? We will write like this: p cube minus 4 plus 3p square we will take away minus 5p minus 3p cube plus p minus 6. So now let's start opening the braces. P cube minus 4 plus 3p square minus 5p square, it will give us plus 3p cube. Minus and plus will be minus p, minus and minus will be plus. Now let's start collecting the like term. P cube and 3p cube will give us 4p cube. Minus 4 and then plus 6 will give us plus 2. Plus 3p square minus 5p square will give us minus 2p square. That's it. Then we left with minus p. So here answer comes out like 4p cube minus 2p square minus p plus 2. Here I am taking another example like subtract the sum of 13x minus 4y plus 7z and minus 6z plus 6x plus 3y. So what we have to do? We have to subtract the sum of these from sum of 6x minus 4y minus 4z and 2x plus 4y minus 7. So in that case what we will do? First we will add these two expressions and then we will add these two expressions and then we will carry on with subtraction. So let's start with, we will start with addition. 13x minus 4y plus 7z plus minus 6z plus 6x plus 3y. So here 13x and the 6x will give 19x, minus 4y and plus 3y will give minus y, plus 7z minus 6z will give this. Okay, now take the sum of another two expression. There are 6x minus 4y minus 4z plus 2x plus 4y minus 7. So it will come out 6 plus 2 will be 8x minus 4y and plus 4y. It will become 0 y. Now in the z we don't have anything, so we will write minus 4z. We don't have constant term over here, so we will write minus 7. So answer will come out as 8x minus 4z minus 7. So now what we have to do? We have to subtract the previous answer from this. So what we will do? We will subtract this one, 19x minus 5y minus y plus z. Here we can write like minus 19x minus y plus z. So 8x minus 4z minus 7 minus 19x, minus minus will be plus, minus and plus will be minus. 8x and minus 19x will give minus 11x, then y minus 4z minus z will be minus 5z, and then we have minus 7. So the required expression will be this. Now let's take the another kind of example like what must be added to 12x cube minus 4x square plus 3x minus 7 to make sum x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 2. So now what we'll do? We are adding e in this. Then we can write this 12x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 7. Then we are adding e expression to get the sum of x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 2. So now how we will get the value of e? We will subtract this from this term. So e will become x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 2 minus 12x square minus 4x, sorry, it will be cube over here, 12x cube minus 4x square plus 3x minus 7. So now let's start with opening the parenthesis and then solve it. So it will come at like x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 2 minus 12x cube plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So let's start with collecting the like terms. X cube and minus 12 x cube will give us minus 11x cube plus 2x square and plus 4x square will give plus 6x square minus 3 will give minus 6. 7 plus 2 will be 9. So the required answer will be this. So in such cases we can have some example like what should be added to this term to get the sum of this, what should be subtracted from. Only thing we have to take care, which term should be added and which term should be subtracted, and the addition and the subtraction we will do in the same method. So this is the addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression that I finish in today's lesson. In next lesson we will continue with multiplication of the algebraic expression. Thank you.